Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM to help you learn better. Think of this an app like a super smart study buddy. It can read your school notes, help you understand them in a way that is fun and easy. But before we start, here is a very quick rule. This AI is there to help you understand your work, not to do it for you. So it's like a bicycle. It helps you get there faster, but you still have to do the pedaling. So let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. First thing you're going to do is you are going to open notebooklm.google.com. Once you are here, you can create a new notebook. When you are creating a new notebook, you have then the option to drop in your file. So it could be a PDF, it could be image notes, it could be document, it could be audio. All you need to do is drag and drop the file here, or a website or a drive, or even a source text. So for example, it could be teacher's notes, PowerPoint presentations, etc. Just drop it, all of it here, and this will then create your source where the information will come from. So I've just created a notebook here, which is quite easy for all of us to follow. And what I did was I just dropped in, I just added a source here on information on how planet Earth is being formed. Now, once you've dropped in your information, what you will find on the right hand side here is that you've got a couple of different options that will help you learn better. So you've got audio overview, you've got creating a slide deck, video, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and even data table. So let's start with how each of this basically works. Let's start with the audio overview. So once you click on the audio overview, what it does is that it comes up with something that you can actually listen to on the go. So I think this would be the audio overview. Let's try to click play.
So if you took a sip of water this morning, you just drank molecules that were likely forged in the heart of a dying star.
Yeah, it's pretty wild to think about.
And, delivered to Earth by a crashing comet. I mean, the solid ground you're standing on right now.
So what you just listened there is that your source or your information, the topic that you're trying to learn, they've just converted it into a podcast format. So you can just listen to it on the go. Now, when you click on the video overview, this is what comes up.
Have you ever just stopped and wondered about the ultimate origin story? I mean, not just our planet's story, but...
So you can see that it just created a 6 minutes video again to help you learn about the subject that you want to learn. And then we've got something known as the slide deck. So what it has basically done is that it has basically summarized all the information and turned it into a very visual format again to help you learn much better and much quicker. The next thing it does is that it even creates for you a mind map. So let's see what happens. Oh, sorry, an infographic. There you go. Again, summarizing the information in a way that's going to be very quick and very easy for you to learn. Now, if you want to test your knowledge, once you've done all the learning, you can even create a quiz. And if you don't know the answer, it can even either give you the right answer, or you can even ask it to explain to you how you get to the next question. You can keep creating as many quizzes as you want. Here, automatically, it creates 10 quizzes. There you go. You've got all your 10 questions and you can keep answering it just to see whether you get to the answer or not. You can then even get a flashcard. Again, flashcards are basically very quick ways for you to learn a particular subject. You can keep increasing the number of flashcards. Right now it is created 65 flashcards from the source that you created, and you can keep answering the question, and whether you like it or you disagree, you can click on the X or you can click on the agree and keep going on to the next part of it. And finally, it creates for you a mind map. Now, a mind map is a way to ask the AI to create a drawing that connects different ideas with lines. It shows you how one thing basically is related and connects to the next thing. So it helps you see how everything works together. So for example, from the Big Bang, you've got all, 13.8 billion years ago where planet Earth is created. And then under the solar system, you've got all the different things you can learn underneath it, whether it's atmosphere, option, modern Earth, and so on. So there you have it. Using NotebookLM, you can basically create audio, you can create video, you can create slide decks, mind map, flashcards, reports, data table, quiz, infographic to help you learn a subject in a more visualized and in a more engaging way. NotebookLM is a great tool to help you learn. But remember, the AI is a helper and not the learner. So use it to make the lessons easier to understand. But make sure you keep the information in your head so you can use it later. Enjoy exploring NotebookLM.